Video will be learning what is a scatter plot and how to make a scatter plot in Tableau. So, first of all, we'll be importing an FLFNZ where starts Microsoft Excel file using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau, which we have already imported using Microsoft Excel option. Also, a scatter plot is used to visualize relationship among numerical values into data points. Scatter plots are the most used graphs in the world. Alright, we'll move on to sheet number 3 for visualization. We use each measure and we drag and drop into columns. We use college wins measure, we drag and drop into rows. So to check which graph is made, we click on show me and we see that this is a scatter plot. Alright, now we use homestate dimension and we drag and drop into colors. Now, to add some more interactive visualization here, we add a trend line. Do it. Yeah. So this is a trend line. Alright, we made a scatter plot in Tableau using a Microsoft Excel file. Alright, alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.